Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix screen mirroring if it's not working on your iPhone. Now just open up the settings app on your iPhone first. The first thing that we can do is just try toggling airplane mode on, wait for a few seconds, and turn it back off. A lot of times this fixes the issue just by disconnecting and reconnecting to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. However, if that doesn't work, the next thing we're going to do is tap on Wi-Fi here. Now, the thing about screen mirroring is that your iPhone and the other device, whether it's a TV, an iPad, a Mac, or even a PC, needs to be connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. So you can see I'm connected to Luddites and Neolites. Your iPhone and the other device need to be exactly connected to the same device or Wi-Fi network. Now let's go back out of here and tap on Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth again is turned on your iPhone. This will allow it to find those other devices. After you've done that, we can do a couple different things to make sure it works. One is to have it automatically ask us if we want to screen mirror. To be able to do that within your settings still, you can see General. Just tap on that General option. And the nice thing is towards the bottom is AirPlay, which is essentially Apple's name for screen mirroring. So tap on AirPlay and continuity. And at the very top, automatically AirPlay. I can choose that, and instead of never, I can have it ask or choose automatically, depending on your preference. Now, if this doesn't work for you, let's hop out here and swipe down from the top right. You're going to look for that screen mirroring option. It's those two rectangles. If you don't see that in the control center, just tap on that plus at the top left and add it in there. If I tap on screen mirroring, it should show all of the devices that I can then screen mirror from my iPhone over to that device. However, some devices don't work like this. For the iPhone to the iPad, it just doesn't work to automatically do screen mirroring through the built-in screen mirroring option. However, you do have another option because I can hop out of here, and instead of that, you can just open up an app store and download an app. The nice thing is this third-party app will allow us to screen mirror no matter what device it is. So if that's not working for you, we're going to type in A-Power, and hit search. You can see A-Power Mirror. Just download and install this app. And after you've installed the app, let's open it up. Essentially, you'll open up this app on your iPhone as well as the other device. This works especially well for iPads, iPhone to iPad. You're going to tap on Local Cast, again, when it's open on both devices, and then it will be able to find that device to AirPlay or screen mirror from your iPhone to the other device. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.